I strongly agree that a good teacher is almost always a good public speaker. For it's important for a teacher to be able to speak well, and being a student with a good teacher who can speak, effectively, is good for the student as well. Teachers who speak well are easier to follow along as a student, and we can do much better as students because of that, which makes them those good teachers with good public speaking skills. First, a good teacher, works well with people listening. Students can get the concepts, and because they're able to get those concepts, they can do much better in the classes. It's far more likely for a student to follow along. It's a function of how well that teacher is doing, how good they are, for the students to be able to follow along better. That ability for those students to get those concepts. Now, second, it's the good teachers who are good at speaking well, so it's generally easier to follow along with them because of that. Your excellent teachers out there are the ones that are easy to take notes from. And kind of on the flip side of all of that is that your bad teachers, in a lot of cases, are harder to take notes from. And so when you come back and look at it as a student, you're just not as likely to do well in those classes where you have those teachers who simply aren't as good at public speaking. It makes it so much easier for the students to have good teachers who are good at speaking well, which is why I believe a good teacher is almost always a good public speaker.